tower, MDI.
Start from automatic MDI and yes, this one. No, click first, unload the tool.
A6.
Unload the tool. Yes. Okay. What he say? He say
A6.
he say your main head have E11.
A11.
You must be removed first, then continue again. You can close this one. Close from up. Yes. ISO. Click ISO F11. Yes. Come here M06. M capital. (06). Enter plus S from remote. He unload the tool. Now the main spindle is empty.
Yes.
Okay.
Again here.
Yes, here. Then click unload first.
Unload first. This way is time.
Yes.
A6.
Then go there. What you want to remove? Unload.
A6 head.
E6. Double click
Yes.
and unload the command. Make sure that our tool section number 2 is empty. See, empty. Okay. Now simply press S from remote. Yes. He come here and unload the tool. He unload the position number 2. Yes. Now is okay. Now you can come here and simply